To create a product coupon in Convertri, go to the Cart section of Convertri, then select Coupons from the left-hand menu. Click Create New and then give your coupon a name. You can also choose a coupon ID which will be added to the link for your coupon, or you can leave it blank and one will be generated for you. Then on the left-hand side of the coupon menu, select Product. From here you can choose whether you want to apply your coupon to a product or not. If you do, select your product or product group from the drop-down list. Then click on Amount on the left-hand side. Here you can select whether you want a fixed amount, so for example you might want £5 to be discounted no matter how much your product costs, or you can choose a percentage discount which will change depending on the cost of your product. Then click Create. You can then click Generate Link to create a coupon link, and here you can select the funnel and page that you want the coupon to be applied to. Then you can copy the link to your clipboard in just one click. If you follow the link and open the checkout on the page that you applied the coupon to, you will see that the discount has been applied.